So, how do you advance from the archaic age to the second age? So from the first to the second in Age of Mythology Retold. So let's go to the classic age, which is the second one, and in order to do it, you need enough resources to create a temple. The type of resources depends on the type of civilization that you are currently playing. And once you build the temple, it's actually not hard and it shouldn't take too long. Once you have that, you should click here and it brings you to the city center, or you straight up click here on the city center, and this icon from red is going to turn into a normal icon. And once you click it, if you have enough resources for the classic age or the second age, is 400 of food for every civilization. The cost of actually upgrading the age is the same for every civilization. Now I click here and I will be able to choose a god for the for passing this age. I like this one, and after not too long I will be in the next age. Once this countdown finishes, I will be in the next age. So that is it. That is how you advance to the next stage in Age of Mythology Retold. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.